What if your job vanished tomorrow, replaced by artificial intelligence? This isn't the future, it's already happening, faster than anyone expected. By 2025, millions of jobs could disappear forever. First on the list, customer service jobs. Companies are already replacing call centers with AI that never sleeps. Second, cashiers and retail workers. Stores worldwide are switching to automated checkouts. Third, drivers, trucks, taxis, even delivery. AI-powered vehicles don't get tired or ask for breaks. Fourth, writers and content creators. AI can now write blogs, scripts, even books in seconds. Fifth, basic lawyers and paralegals. AI can analyze thousands of contracts faster than legal teams. Even journalists aren't safe. AI writes breaking news articles in seconds. No humans needed. Sixth, factory and warehouse workers. Amazon already uses thousands of AI robots to move goods. AI isn't coming to take some jobs, it's coming for millions. But here's the twist. It will also create new jobs. Jobs that never existed before and may pay even more. So the question is your job safe? Or will AI replace you before you even notice? The future of work isn't coming. It's already here. Would you trust AI with your job? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for the next video.